Are you looking for a competent carpet cleaner that can get the job done right? Have you tried to clean it up yourself, but it always ends up not as clean as you want it to be? Or have you hired someone that didn't do that good of a job? Having an unclean carpet can be embarrassing, an eyesore, and a root cause for foul smells throughout your home or office. This is why you need our professional carpet cleaning service that will leave your carpet looking like new and smelling amazing. Our team is made of trained professionals who are skilled in a variety of techniques, equipment, the different types of carpets, and how to tackle tough jobs such as stubborn stains. We are licensed, insured, and trusted by hundreds of satisfied customers. Don't let your precious carpet go to waste due to uncleanliness or improper care. Contact us today to schedule an appointment. We look forward to hearing from you.